Hello, fellow science students. I say fellow science students because I take classes online myself. I like to nerd out. You may not be a nerd taking principles of biology, but if you are in good company here. This week in microbiology, you are going to do a pre-lab, a few online labs, and then take a quiz. I have to say, I kind of wish you were in regular lab with me because we do an aquarium funk, F-U-N-K lab. What I do is I suck the bottom of one of my fish tanks out, and then we make a wet mount onto a slide and look at it under the microscope. It's amazing, all of the crazy things we've seen. If you go to YouTube and you type in Darrell Barnes and aquarium funk, you'll pull up a lot of videos if you're interested. Anyhow, do these, enjoy. I think you're going to have a great time. Keep up the good work, mates.